Hi guys, welcome to Top Wisdom. Today's topic is the Southern Africa in 1750. So this is the grade 10 topic, term 3, which is transformation in Southern Africa after 1750. So this topic is mainly being learned on term 3 by grade 10 learners. So guys, it's very important because it always appears most of the time as an essay topic. So as you know that essay is 50 marks, so it's very important that you understand the topic. So in this video, I'm going to release the key points that will make you get higher marks when writing your essay. So it's very important that you remember each and every key point that I've told you. I'm going to release key points, by the way. Key points. This will help you to get higher marks than writing an essay full of nonsense. So I'm going to release key points so that you guys can understand the essay and be able to write the essay. So don't be shocked when you don't learn this in term 1 or term 2. It is mostly learned on term 3. So guys, stay tuned. Southern Africa in 1750. By 1750, most of the people in Southern Africa lived in small chiefdoms ruled by a chief. Chiefdoms were not isolated from one another. They traded and interacted with one another and with the nomadic Khoisan. From time to time, chiefdoms went to war with one another. Terminology. Nomad. What is a nomad? A member of a people that travel from place to place to find fresh pasture for its animals to have permanent home. Nomadic. Living the life of a nomad. Wandering. Transformation. Periods of substantial change. Debate. A discussion in which the reasons are given for or against an idea. State, a political organized body of people under a single government. Guys, it's very important that you remember this definition, because whenever it appears on section A or section B, you must be able to remember them so that you can get higher marks, obviously. African farmers. African farmers made tools out of iron. They grew crops and kept livestock. They choose to settle in regions with warm climate, fertile soil, and reliable rainfall in summer. African farming societies were highly flexible and full of changes. People could move and join another chiefdom if they wished. Chiefdoms came and went, and political power changed consistently. These are all the key points that fall under African farmer. If whenever you want to talk about African farmer, which you must talk about African farmer when writing an essay, you should remember these key points. The mid-18th century. In the mid-18th century, the southern part of Africa had not yet been very affected by European colonialism. Only some parts of the Cape had been colonized by the Dutch, and there was a small Portuguese presence in Delagoa Bay, modern-day Maputo in Mozambique. That falls under the mid-18th century. Transformation in Southern Africa, political changes 1750 to 1820. This one is also very, very important, guys. It's very, very important. I think this one is the most important of all. This one will help you get higher marks. So, because it's actually based on the topic, on what you are talking about. It's very, very based on the topic. So, focus is more on the topic. From about 1750, Southern Africa society underwent a period of transformation. The transformation refers to the period of substantial change, as I've explained before. Historians used to refer to this period of transformation in Southern Africa as umfecane or the fecane. Time of trouble. Many historians now use the term the time of trouble when referring to this period of Southern Africa history. The time of trouble could not be described as a period in which the series of major political and social upheavals, wars, and migrants took place. During this time, new chiefdoms or states were created. Historical debate on the time of troubles. The series of wars that occurred during the time of troubles used to be blamed on the Zulu kingdom under Shaka. This suggested that Shaka and the Zulu kingdom were the only ones responsible for causing the wars and the subsequent changes that dominated this period. This has been debated through the more recent research suggest that the cause of the time of troubles are far more complex. Some of the causes now given for the time of troubles include the impact of the following two developments of African societies in the interior and eastern regions of Southern Africa. This one is also very, very important, guys, so listen carefully. Some chiefdoms grew more powerful. I'm gonna repeat again. Some chiefdoms grew more powerful, including the Zulu kingdom under Shaka, but also included other kingdoms. Some kingdoms began to rule over other kingdoms and new states began to emerge. This increased tension among chiefdoms and spurred wars. The frontiers of the European colonial settlement and trade from Cape Colony in Southern began to expand, and the Portuguese trading post at Dialogo Bay in the eastern extended its economic activities. This placed pressure on indigenous population who now had increasing competition for resources. So guys, these are the most important key points that I've told you now. Now you guys know what are the key points, so you can be able to write an essay and pass with higher marks. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and check other videos, history videos. They are there. Check the link down in the description. You will see other 2 grade 10 history videos, which are essay videos. Of course, you must watch them. You must know all the essays. It's very important that you know all the essays, not one. So guys, subscribe and like the video.